The apocalypse.
Alright guys, so right now I'm looking for the Dixie Cup factory. It's been closed down for several years and it is abandoned, and actually it's right there. It's that really big building straight ahead of us. Okay, so there are a couple locations I could launch from. However, I'd like to find something a little bit more secluded. There's a park right here. What the fuck is this guy doing? Anyway, there's a park right there. There's a Kmart practically across the street, but I really don't want to launch from a parking lot. I want to try to get close and where nobody will see the drone go up, which I believe this road here should be my best bet, because if I'm not mistaken, the factory is right up on the right. Or actually, no, it's straight ahead, I believe. I know it's right here somewhere. Oh, there it is. Okay. So let's see what we can figure out here. So that's the Dixie factory there. As you can see, it is totally abandoned. So the gate is open to go right to the front of the building. So I'm curious on if I should drive through.
Run free and dive into the sky. Hear the wind crying out its prayer. Why are we so ashamed to be alive? Break the chains and our freedom's ours to take. Chase a light when the world is getting darker. I have a dream where love's the only side. So take my hand, join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in the shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadow. Join the army of the shadows, shadows, shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Join the army of the shadows. Going harder, we are more than numbers, standing in their shade. Going louder, we are all one color, standing in their way.
All right, worst possible thing ever. I have the drone at 132 feet high, holding it down, trying to get to land, and there it is. Not landing. So
The apocalypse.